Hello friends, it's me Nazima Barreto and welcome to my channel. So today's video is for all the kitchen garden lovers. I hope you watch the video till the end. So let's begin. So today we'll be harvesting this ivy gourd, which are locally known as tendrils. And for them this type of structure is needed because it is a creeper and it requires support to grow. These ivy gourds can be eaten raw or pickle can be made from them. Also, they can be cooked into a tasty, delicious vegetable meal. The raw fruit is green in color and it turns red when it ripens. Some health benefits of eating this vegetable is that they are good for the obese people and also for the diabetic patients. So this plant is there in our kitchen garden since last 3 to 4 years. So these vegetables are okra, which are commonly known as ladyfingers. So frankly speaking, we don't need to go to market to buy vegetables. We simply come here every morning, collect them. It's joy to collect your own vegetables and prepare them at home and eat it. So today we have collected quite a lot of vegetables. It's very healthy to eat vegetables from your own garden. So we should continue this habit of doing vegetable gardens in our homes. These are the flowers of the ladyfinger plant. So we have tendrils, we have okra, and what we want more. Hey friends, I hope you all enjoyed my video. If you like my video, do subscribe my channel. Until then, see you.